Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today. Okay, here we are on Splinterlands at 10,000, day 135, the 18th of May. The numbers haven't bought any packs lately because if you know, I've changed my strategy. I did put $10 in actually yesterday, so I got that extra SPS. So I'm up to $804 out of pocket. You can pause this and look at my numbers. I started recording back on February. And here we are as of today. 850 asset value. It went down $20 since yesterday. 154 cards with 49.29 in the box. Look at this, guys. 130,160. That's the power of dollar cost averaging and buying directly from the market right now and not doing the packs. The packs, I was only opening one pack a day, but I was getting like a 50-cent pack value out of it on average. Now, you can get good cards out of packs, of course, but I've got a lot more control over my future and strategy right now, buying directly from the market. I'll show you what I bought. $85 asset value of SPS. They're giving this away for free, and I got something else to show you that is, I don't know what happened. I've missed it on the YouTubers, so I'll find out. But anyway, so total profit right now, if I sold at right this second, $134 before taxes. That's after I pay myself back to $804. And as bad as things are, that's pretty good. But guess what else this number tells us? How important it is the time that you sell it, because on any given part of the day, this could be plus or minus $50. That's how volatile this market is. So let's go do the rewards for today. It was a sneak quest. Good news, I didn't have to spend any DEC because I had 30 minutes left on the rentals from yesterday. So I was able to use the same cards from yesterday to get today's, and that saved me probably about 200 DEC, which is a good thing because that will help me out with my SPS today when it drops at 11. DEC is a really good kick on the one card legendary. I got another potion, and I think it's like 1-for-1 on the DEC, so it's a really good kick up on your free SPS airdrop. Let's go, speaking of, what do you see this? Okay, now they got the vouchers. You got to claim it instead of it automatically giving it to you. What I don't know is, where do you go? I haven't been able to find out where they're putting it because it used to be down here, but you can claim it. So I don't know where it's going. I'll find out. It's probably right in front of me here. But this is what I want to show you. Look at my APR. For some reason, and I saw this on a YouTuber last night, that his APR is real high. They're paying more for staking as of right now. There's only 100 days left, or even less, maybe 70 days left. And it jumped from like 30% to 62%, which means they've doubled it, which is, for staking, that's fantastic. Now, if they end the airdrop, like if they don't renew it and they end the staking, that's when you might decide what you want to do. Right now, I'm just hoarding all my SPS. I don't want to spend any of it. I want to stake it all. Where can you go and put something in for 62% interest rate? That's incredible. And good news. Okay, so let's go look at what I bought. See, look at this. Just since I put the numbers in 10 minutes ago, it's dropped $7. So you could be losing money as you're trying to sell it. That's how it's just up and down, yo-yo. But of course, if I'm up around the $10,000 that I want to get to, then that probably it'd be even more. So let's go to the market history. I'll show you what I bought. I was able to get, okay, so today's the 17th. Okay, that's Twilight Basket. That's, I think, oh yeah, right here. Okay, I bought one card yesterday for $10. It took up my whole $10, but It was a rare card. It was the Twilight Basilisk Dragon. I've been eyeing this guy trying, and I could have got him cheaper. Actually, he was down low, but this is a maxed out card, guys, rare for $10 or less, and so that's all I bought. But it was worth it. I now own him, and what I'm finding out by buying all these common and rare, there is an epic coming into under the $10. Maybe it was at 11 something when I looked last night. But if any, but this, I've been getting mostly commons, but a few rares that all the ones that I've collected now I can use because I'm renting higher level summoners. And so now I got all these commons and rares that I can now use if I need it. And I don't have to rent them because I own them. And of course, if I'm not using them, I can rent them out. And I'm only getting, because I'm trying to stay around. Let's go back to here. So I got to unrent something to get over if I want to get back into gold 3. Right now I'm okay because I can go all the way to silver 1. I'm about 184. So tonight I'll rent some more cards. And well, no, actually I'll wait till morning because I don't know what the quest is going to be. And that way I can build up for the quest also. And then I'll probably pop in the silver 1 and then gold 3 the next day, or maybe take it all the way to gold 3. But I want to stay around 100, right a little bit over 100,000. And then when I can naturally get in this gold 2, I'll make the move, if you know what I'm talking about. And then so forth. That way I'm not renting cards just for the power. And of course, with me buying maxed out cards every other day, that's not going to be long at all. I think my total power, if I unrent everything, is about 135,000. But I'm taking a hit in the rental department. But what can you do? You can only do, you got to choose something. And it's not that anything's right or wrong. See, I lost my last battle right there. That's when I stopped. But I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I won 5 in a row. And then I'll keep playing until I lose, and then I stop. So anyway, that's it. There's the new reward systems coming out. This is starting to pick up speed, and I got a feeling it's going to coincide with the markets. I got a feeling with an election year, they're going to things will probably start looking better. Especially the closer we get to the election. That's just the norm. And if it doesn't, then that might be a bad sign. I don't know what. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Oh, I had 2 signups yesterday. And one's actually battling. He's done 8 battles. It just says pupil. So if you know who you are, if you're watching this video and you want to contact me, I can help you. You can let me know what your strategy is. And okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join in any of the links below. But we could talk strategy if you want. But go online. There's so many YouTubers who talk good strategy and will teach you what you need to get out of bronze. And if you're not spending any money, it doesn't look like you haven't bought a spell book yet, so you're still playing for free. But if you decide, that's when you want to really start watching and studying. And believe me, it's very possible, and not as at first it's overwhelming. There's just so much going on with the cards and stuff. But if you can figure out what exactly cards you need, then you won't waste your time with the other ones, other than wanting to collect them for investment and just to have them type thing. But anyway, thank you both of y'all, May 17th, for signing up. And if you got any answers or comments or questions, please leave it. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day.